Time for weather right now. Storm Tracker 13 meteorologist Nick Carter is here with your forecast. Nick, can you tell us a little bit about the fire danger that's out there right now?
It's really bad, Willis, and this is the time of the year that we'll often see it. And it's kind of interesting because many times it's thunder showers that can produce these wild brush fires. You get what we call dry thunder showers, basically a lot of wind, very little rain, but the dangerous cloud to ground lightning. And all it takes is a lot of strong wind and very low humidities over the eastern plains, and you've got some problems. And that's what we're looking at right now. I say this with the advisory to you that by tomorrow, temperatures are going to be a lot cooler, humidities are going to be higher, and by Memorial Day, it may be a day for an indoor cookout. We'll explain. Meanwhile, checking out the Sangre de Cristos right now. Beautiful shot right to the south, and you can see the cameras jiggling a little bit. Yeah, that's because the winds are kind of strong, but these clouds are not going to be the clouds that are going to be producing any kind of badly needed precipitation for us anytime soon. Instead, all of the activity that's going to be showing up as rain or snow. Yeah, snow for the high country, way up in Wyoming and extreme northeastern Colorado. There's one big thunderstorm out in Burlington. It's heading for St. Francis, Kansas. All of these clouds are just very thin high clouds and gusty winds that go along with those afternoon clouds. Live radar right now showing a little bit of rain in Weld County, and we see that one thunderstorm that's moved out of our state. But this is what we're concerned about right now. Southeastern Colorado, where the temperatures are very high and of course the relative humidities are quite low, and that's a real concern. There's Colorado Springs, and again you can see that we don't have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Current temperatures mid to upper 70s in the northeast, but look at these temperatures in southeast Colorado. Came awfully close to 90 degrees in Springfield, the official warmest temperature at 88 degrees. 85 in La Junta, 86 in Pueblo. We're at 77 degrees in the high country. Look at this. Look how chilly it is in Glenwood Springs at 45 degrees, 62 degrees in Gunnison. There's a possibility with this advancing weather system that we could be talking about some interesting stuff headed for the mountains above 10,000 feet, like maybe a few snow showers. But right now, 70s and 80s across the greater Colorado Springs area. Here's the problem that we're experiencing over southeast Colorado. These trace lines that you see represent the winds and wind gusts. The highest gusts way in the southeast corner, near 40-mile-an-hour winds, 41-mile-per-hour winds in the San Luis Valley. That's down in Alamosa. You've got those very mild temperatures and very low dew points. The dew point is the temperature at which we'd have to cool things down just to get some dew or frost. I don't think we're going to be cooling down to 13 degrees anytime soon. The lower those numbers, the drier the air. So you throw in that all together, you get these red flag warnings, and that's going to stay in effect until 9 o'clock tonight. Again, we're not really doing the cookouts just yet. That's probably going to be for Monday after we do our morning memorial services. That's going to be when things change very quickly, and that's because to the north and west of us, there's a weather system that's going to be moving through, possibly producing some snow in the high country, some nasty thunderstorms tomorrow night in northeast Colorado, and rain and cooler temperatures tomorrow evening all the way through midday Monday, Memorial Day. Bottom line, today is the warm, tomorrow a few storms, and even cooler on Monday with lows tonight in the upper 40s, then for tomorrow, we're looking at high temperatures in the low 60s to low 70s. So we're going to dial down those temperatures by as much as 10 degrees for tomorrow. We're going to throw in lots of cloudiness. Early afternoon, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms. And on Monday, it's probably going to be even cooler. We're talking temperatures 50s and 60s for us tomorrow afternoon, and more of the same on Monday. So we look at our 7-day forecast. First of all, Woodland Park, look at how high the probabilities are for precipitation out here. You're talking temperatures in the 50s tomorrow, upper 40s to low 50s on Monday, and a slight chance of showers and thunderstorm with cooler temperatures in the 60s and 70s for the rest of the week. For Canyon City, 68 degrees tomorrow, 64 on Monday. Tuesday is going to be mild with 70s and mid to upper 70s for the rest of the week. We go to Pueblo, your high temperature tomorrow, 71 degrees, 60s on Monday, and 70s and 80s for the rest of the week. Kind of cool for this time of year as far as what we're looking at for Memorial Day Monday. We're looking at 60s here in Colorado Springs and 50s on Monday with some showers. Enjoy the best of what you got for the rest of this afternoon. Enjoy tomorrow. Be careful if you're working with open fire, especially up in the southeastern plains. And on Monday, keep it nice and warm because it's going to be a little chilly.
Right. It's kind of, a little bit of a damper to have some rain.